Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and this is the overview of a FreeCAD part design workbench. And in this tutorial we will look the basic overview of a part design workbench and how it is useful for the mechanical modeling perspectives. So for this tutorial I am using the FreeCAD version 1.0. So you must have at least FreeCAD version 1.0 or a higher version of a FreeCAD. FreeCAD Part Design Workbench provide tools for modeling solid components. As you can see that this is a very interesting model which is made with a Part Design Workbench, and I wanted to show you some more model which is made by me with the help of Part Design Workbench. FreeCAD Part Design Workbench is mostly focused on creating mechanical component, and if you have used a software like a SolidWorks, then you will find that tools available in a Part Design Workbench like a pad, extrude, fillet, chamfer, pocket, pattern, mirror, etc. So Part Design Workbench is very useful to create a mechanical components like this and like this bearing housing. Part created with a part design workbench can be used for the BIM modeling. It can be used for the finite element analysis. Like this is the bearing housing. This part can be used to analyze this bearing housing load capacity with the help of a FreeCAD FEM workbench. And part created with a part design workbench can be used with a machining method of mechanical engineering perspectives, and it can be made with a 3D printing as well. The part design workbench uses the feature based methodology. So if you see this part, so you will observe that there are the feature dependencies like first created revolve, then pad, then datum plane, then again pad, and then grooves, pocket, etc. So now if you see the part design workbench, we can see here the body and part. So if you see, this part is made with a body, but I can also made using this create a part. So basically the difference between this and this is that this is a single body. On the other hand, this part is a container. We can store multiple bodies inside the this part. So let me show you. So if I insert a part here, then I can insert number of a body inside of it. So this act as an assembly. FreeCAD is a parametric in nature. So part made with a part design workbench with a additive tool or a subtractive tool. So additive tools are the where we add the material like pad, revolve, loft, etc. On the other hand, subtractive tools are the pocket, holes, groove, where we remove the material. And this is the dress up tool to provide the additional chamfer fillet on our FreeCAD part. And these are the transformations tool to create a linear pattern or a rectangular pattern or a mirror, etc. So in a FreeCAD, this is the parametric design software. So once you change the base features, then child features will automatically change. So let's see this with this example. So if I activate this first feature of this part, so if this sketch is changed, then pad will be get modified, and on the other hands other features which are built on a base feature will be automatically get updated. So this is the basic overview of part design workbench in FreeCAD, and we will learn in upcoming lectures the basics of a part design workbench, how to use these tools like a pad, revolve, groove, pocket, hole, etc. So this is all about the basic overview of a FreeCAD part design workbench and what we can achieve with a part design workbench. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.